Hi everyone, I'm Jacob with the Snyder Center for Business Communication. In this video, I'll walk you through how to begin your online consultation, what the consultation room looks like, and how you can make the most of it. This video will focus on individual consultations. I'll post a link for group consultations here. If you want to see how to make an appointment for an online consultation, I'll post a link to that video here as well. You've made your appointment for an individual consultation, and it's about time for it to begin. You'll first want to click on your appointment. You'll know which appointment is yours because it will be the gold-colored box. After you click on your appointment, you'll see a pop-up window appear with your appointment information. If you want to modify or change your appointment, you can do so here. Just scroll to the Edit button at the bottom. To enter the consultation space, you'll actually want to look for this button here at the top. Start or join online consultation. Click on this button and a new tab will open for your online consultation room. If it's your first time entering the online space, you may need to allow your browser permission to access your webcam and microphone. We also recommend entering the online room about 5 minutes prior to your consultation, just to make sure your browser is updated and all the technology is working. So here's the consultation space. I'm getting an error message here because I'm currently using Zoom to cast my screen for this video. Otherwise, you'd see video of me here on the left side. If you don't have a webcam, that's okay. We can do audio-only chat via the computer audio through your microphone, or you can always give us a call. On the right here is the chat box. If technology fails us, we can always communicate via text here, or we can use the chat box to write notes if needed. Above the chat box, you'll see how many users are in the room. And if you click on this button, you'll see their names. Right now, it's just me on our test account. The color by your name will be the color of any text you add or messages you send in the chat. You can change your color by clicking on it. If your consultant isn't in the room when you first enter, don't worry. They should be there soon. If, however, 5 minutes pass from your appointment start time and you're still waiting, be sure to give us a call. We'll get everything sorted. Towards the left at the top, you'll see common formatting buttons. There's also buttons for undo and redo, and this eye tool removes all authorship colors from the text. This big white space here is the whiteboard. Think of it like a Google Doc. You and the consultant will see the same thing and be able to make changes simultaneously. It's great for collaboration as well. Anytime text is added, you'll see the person's corresponding authorship color, so you'll always know who wrote what. If you have a draft of a message you want the consultant to focus on, you can actually import that to the whiteboard with this button here, the Import/Export button. Click on the Import/Export button, hit Choose File, find your file, and then hit Import Now. The whiteboard currently doesn't handle any document with a lot of specialized formatting. Think of a resume or a multi-page report or proposal, things like that. For those kinds of documents, your consultant may pivot the meeting to Zoom instead of this online space. But for now, let's just say you and your consultant stay in the online space here and go through the consultation like normal. You and the consultant go back and forth, making changes, maybe adding notes. And soon, it's time to wrap up. Any changes that are made to the whiteboard here, or any text messages left in the chat, will be preserved. You just simply have to re-enter the appointment like you did earlier to see everything as you left it. However, if you'd like to have a copy of the whiteboard saved locally to your computer, you can do that through the Import/Export button you used earlier. The only difference now is you'll want to click on the preferred file type. Word is probably the go-to for most students. And that's pretty much it. To leave the room, just close the tab, and you're good to go. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to email or call us. We'd be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to working with you soon.